Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your QR code on Facebook. Whether you need a fresh start or want to ensure your QR code is up to date, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look for the Messages icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your Messenger inbox. Next, locate the menu icon within Messenger. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your app version. Tap on this menu icon to reveal additional options. Now, look at the top of the menu screen for a QR code icon. It's often displayed prominently so you can easily find it. Tap on this QR icon to bring up your personal QR code settings. Once you're in the QR code section, you'll see an option labeled Reset QR Code. Tap on it to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about resetting your QR code. Confirm your choice by tapping Yes or Confirm. And that's it. Your old QR code will be replaced with a new one instantly. This updated QR code can now be shared with friends or used for connecting with others seamlessly. Resetting your QR code ensures that outdated links or connections tied to your previous code no longer work, giving you full control over who can access your profile via QR scanning. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook QR codes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting.